In this video, you will see how to add border in Word on iPad. To add page border in Word on iPad, you need to click here on the Layout tab. After clicking on the Layout tab, you will see here the option of Page Border. This option will allow us to add the page border. After you tab on the page border, you will see here Preset. So you can just tap on one of these options to apply the border. Now, as you can see, this is a very thin border and not so useful. And so you need to customize the border. To customize, you need to go here to custom option. And here there are a lot of options. For example, you can select the style of the border. So here there are different border styles. For this tutorial, I'm just selecting solid black border and I will go back. And this weight is the thickness of the border. So you can just tap on the plus icon to increase the thickness of the border, or you can tap on minus to decrease the border thickness. And next to the color, you can just tap on the color dot and you can select any color, for example, blue one, and then go back. Now here next to the apply to, you will see some bunch of options like whole document. That means this border will be applied to all the pages in the Word document. So if you want this to happen, then select the whole document option. If you have sections, then select the option this section, or if you want this border to appear on the first page only, then you can select this option first page. Usually this is the case when we prepare thesis, report, etc. So we need border only on the first page. And this is the last option, this section all except first page. So depending on your need, you can select the option here. And once done, just tap inside the document. And that's how you can add border in Word on iPad. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out this playlist if you want to learn Microsoft Word on iPad quickly. See you again in the next one.